Hello students, here in this question we are discussing about the half-equivalence point of titration between weak acid and NaOH. We have to know that NaOH is a strong base. So here, when a weak acid titrate with strong
Here's a
acid,
clean
it
and
will
professionally
result in a
formatted
buffer solution.
presentation
So
of the
here we can use the
calculations shown in
equation
the
of
image.
Henderson-Hazel, that's that pH is equal to pK value plus
Application of the work
log
energy theorem, wet.
concentration of
From the
the
work energy
conjugate
theorem, the
base
force F is
divided by
given
the
by F
concentration of
equals
the weak
frac
acid.
text KE, where
So
KE equals kinetic
at
energy, S equals stopping
half
distance. If I'm given for object A, FA equals frac
equivalence
100,000, 0.10.
point,
For object
what
B, FB
happens
equals
is
frac
that the
225,
concentration of
1500
the
equals 0.15 text makes
conjugate
in.
base,
And force ratio
or
frac
we can say
FA,
the salt,
FB equal
will
frac
be
0.10, 0.15 equal frac 2 null
equal
result.
to
A box frac FA, FB. Would you like a
concentration of
PDF
weak
version
acid.
of this explanation?
If both of them are, that is conjugate base and concentration of weak acid, are same, we can say is that the log value will become 1, so it becomes 0. This value totally becomes 0. So we can say is that pH value become pK value. pK value that representing the dissociation constant for the acid. So here we can say is that the correct option here will be option C, saying that the solution is acidic at half equivalence point. So this is our answer. Hope you have understood the solutions well. Thank you.